What's up everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to a brand new restocking video. I am super excited to show you all the slimes that we're going to be stocking in the shop this week. This week's restock is a little bit smaller than normal. However, we do have a bunch of slime left over from last week's restock since it was such a big restock, and I have discounted some of those slimes to $10. So if you want some $10 slime action, then make sure you head over to the shop really early. Make sure you get there so that you are on time. And yeah, don't forget that we open the shop at 6 p.m. Central Time, so that is when you'll be able to snatch. And let's just get on with the restock. So of course you've been watching Chanel number 2. She is my queen in the shop. She is A1 since day one, our #1 bestseller. Very thick and glossy scented Bubblicious bubblegum, which is amazing, like a fresh pack of Bubblicious. It just smells so good. Very thick and glossy and just amazing. Next up is Baja Blast, which is our second bestseller. This one is a cloud/icy hybrid, so you get a little bit of baby drizzles from the cloud part, but it mostly just looks like a really cool icy slime. It is clear base, so it is amazing, very great textures and super sizzly, and it's scented just like Blue Raspberry Baja Blast. It smells so good. Mud Mask is our third bestseller, and this completes the big three. These are the top 3 slimes in my shop. This one here is another hybrid slime. It is a butter slime and a cloud cream slime put together. It is so amazing because of the sizzles on it. It's super smooth and spreadable as well, and it's very thick and dense. It's just an amazing slime. This one is definitely a great couch slime or bed table side slime. It's just so good. And of course, it's scented like green tea lemon. This next slime is really cool because it gets super inflatable. This one is called Puffy Peach, and it is scented like fresh peaches. It smells super good. So the bottom layer is actually a jelly slime and the top layer is a clay slime. So when you get this, it should not be mixed. However, if it is mixed a little bit, just let it sit on a flat surface and then it will redistribute itself again how it is here. So the jelly slime will go to the bottom and the clay slime will rise to the top. It's super cool. I don't know how it works, but it does. I'm guessing because the jelly slime is so dense, but when you mix this together, it becomes a really cool texture and it inflates a ton, and it's just really poofy and fun. So I decided to call it Puffy Peach. Acai bowl is a slime inspired by one of my favorite things. I love acai smoothie bowls, so we made this slime here. It is a butter slime scented just like acai berry, and it comes with 2 random fruit charms. This one is super nice because it's such a dense butter slime. However, when you play with it and just kind of inflate it a bunch, it gets super puffy and very sizzly, and it's just amazing. So this restock, we decided that we were going to go ahead and start our spring slimes as well. So this here is Glossy Peeps. This one was from last spring season. We decided to bring it back. It is the exact same recipe as Chanel, very thick and glossy. However, this one is yellow and scented like Peeps. If you like those marshmallow candies like I do, then you are definitely going to love this. It smells so realistic and it's just amazing. Pink Phoenix is a slime that kind of happened on accident, honestly. I was trying to make a slime for an Instagram video and I ended up making this one here and letting it sit, and it just looks so gorgeous. I love the metallic slimes when you kind of mix them together because they don't mix and they just kind of like avalanche almost, but they still stay separate. It's really cool. I can't really explain it. This one is half rose gold and half regular gold, and it just mixes into a really nice color, and it just kind of reminded me of like a reddish gold undertone, so that's where the name Phoenix comes from. It just, you know, the bird that kind of, you know, bursts into flames and then all of a sudden is reborn. So I decided that I would go ahead and name it that. It's really cool. It's unscented as well, so if you have a scent allergy, this one would be perfect for you. Cinnamon Toast Puff honestly has like my favorite scent out of this whole restock. It's scented like Cinnamon Toast Crunch cereal, and the scent is so spot on. It is amazing. This one is a really sizzly and inflatable slime as well. Just really good, very thick, but yet once you play with it and inflate it, it gets very puffy and just amazing. After I was done filming this video, it literally inflated twice its size, so I had to put it in a 32 ounce. As you can see, it turned into 16 ounces. Like, how insane is that? FLORA is another spring-inspired slime that we are bringing back from last spring season. This one is a green, thick, clear slime. It is so amazing. I love the texture on this one. It's not fully cleared in the video. However, obviously, by the time you get it, it will be super, super clear. It does come with a random flower charm, and then it will also come with the flower Fimo slices that are at the bottom. And again, this slime is unscented, so if you have any scent allergies, or even if you just don't like your slime scented, then this one is good for you. And yet again, another spring themed slime from last year that we are bringing back. This one is Mickey's Easter Basket. This one sold so well last year, so I'm hoping that it sells again this year. And of course, it is a cloud slime with my new and improved cloud slime recipe. I am so proud of it. I just love the drizzles that come from it. This is scented like mixed candy. Just every single candy scent that I could find, I literally mixed it into this, and it smells so, so good. Exactly, just reminds me of an Easter basket with all the candy inside and stuff. And it will come with 3 different charms. It'll come with an egg, and it will also come with 2 candy charms, and of course it's going to be topped off with those Mickey Mouse pastel rainbow sprinkles. And last but not least, we have Orange Soda Pop. This one here is a new slime to the shop. It is a fishbowl slime that is scented like Orange Soda Pop. It is a clear based, very thick yet very stretchy as well. And of course, there's a bunch of great bubble pops from all the fishbowl beads that are in there. I would say that this is probably a half fishbowl slime because it's not all fishbowl. There's mostly slime and some fishbowl beads in there, but it still provides a really nice crunch and great texture as well. And like I said, it is still scented like Orange Soda Pop. It's so, so good. And the fishbowl beads are actually colored. So there's clear and then there's orange fishbowl beads as well, and I just think it looks super, super cool. Alrighty, well that was pretty much it for this restock video. I really hope you all enjoyed it and found something that you would like to purchase. In the comment section down below, let me know which of these slimes you would like to see make a return or a comeback, and I will definitely do that for you all. Thank you all so much for watching. I love you very freaking much, and I will see you all next time. Bye!